Hi, I'm Bill Parrish. I'm here at Seek Thermal in Santa Barbara, California, where we recently developed a product specifically designed for measuring skin temperature, which of course is extremely relevant today.
SeekScan is a simple automated thermal imaging system that lets businesses, institutions, and venues easily screen for body temperature using skin temperature as a proxy.
The product consists of a thermal infrared camera along with a visible camera. We include in the image a reference temperature that's approximately your body temperature that allows us to get very accurate readings.
The system is easy to use and can be set up in minutes using just 2 tripods and a Windows PC. SeekScan can be installed in lobbies, hallways, and other key access points to help businesses, institutions, and venues create a safer environment for their workforce, customers, members, and patrons. Unlike traditional screening methods, SeekScan enables social distancing, self-measurement, and automatically finds the most accurate spot on the face for temperature measurement.
If you are interested in what we're doing here at Seek, please contact us at thermal.com.